Good morning, P3 students. How are you today? Today is the 30th of August 2020. And for our learning objective for today is I can answer my activity book, pages 31 and 32. So today is the last day and this is the last day of our study. Because tomorrow is our live and it's our public day. Hooray! So you're just going to answer 2 pages in your learner's activity book. No, not learners. Your student's activity book. So this is page 31 looks like. So Judy, I know you don't have a book. I know you don't have a book. I'll take a picture of this later because my son has my phone playing Minecraft. So here, what you're going to do is that you are going to write down if the material is magnetic and non-magnetic. We know that magnetic materials are materials that are attracted to a magnet, right? And you know what the magnet is. And non-magnetic materials are things or materials that do not attract with a magnet. That whatever you do with it, if you put a magnet into it, it will not stick. Right? It's only metal that will stick to a magnet. So here the words. So this is page 31. So in this exercise, you can show that you understand which materials are magnetic or non-magnetic. So Razi and Zoe investigated which materials were magnetic. Finish Razi's table of results. So here, these are the objects. So Judy, if you don't have a book, you can, and if ever I forgot to take a picture because my son has it. And so here you will, in this column, you will write object, and then the very top, the label is object, material, and then magnetic or non-magnetic. Magnetic or non-magnetic material. Yes. So the first object is pencil, followed by a paper clip, and then we have chair, and then magazine, and then scissors. And then we know that the material for a pencil is wood, and wood is non-magnetic. And then paper clip. A paper clip could be... Paper clip are usually made of what material? So easy, right? Then you write what is the material used to make a paper clip. Is paper clip made of wood? Is paper clip made of glass? Is paper clip made of metal? And then we know that metal is magnetic. So you're just going to fill out the things that, you know, here you write down the material, and then here you write down if it is magnetic or non-magnetic. And then we have a chair that is made of plastic. Is it magnetic or non-magnetic? And then we have the magazine. The magazine is made of, now my son is with me. Maybe the phone is low, but is my phone low, but David? Pretty much? Yeah? Oh, it's, whoa, don't move the chair. So it's, where was I again? Sorry. So the magazine is made of what? Wood, metal, glass, fabric, or paper. And then you write down if paper is magnetic, if it is magnetic or non-magnetic. And then we have here scissors. The scissors is made of metal, and if the thing is made of metal, then is it magnetic or non-magnetic? So below you are going to write down what are the things that are magnetic for page 31. Now let's go to page 32. For page 32, this exercise checks that you understand the specific the scientific words used in this unit. So complete the sentences about the properties of materials. So metals are what property that describes a metal that starts with letter H? Metals are heavy or hard, And how about paper? What property that describe a paper that starts with letter F? And then when wood is cut, it is when wood is cut, and sometimes, but it can also be wood can be what? That start with R. What properties is it? Smooth. So you know that. You're very smart. I know you knew it already. So the plastic coat is, look at this. Is it, what's the word that cannot be wet? And then for test 2, label this picture with this word. So you're going to use these words: magnetic, non-magnetic, magnet, attracted, non-magnetic. So what do you call this thing? This is called magnetic, non-magnetic, magnet, attracted, non-magnetic. How about book? Is book magnetic or non-magnetic? How about duck? Duck magnetic or non-magnetic? How about this one? The key is attracted. Is it magnetic or non-magnetic? So there are 2 answers for the key. The key is made of metal, so therefore it is what? Alright, so that will be all for today. Thank you so much. And again, Judy, you're the only one who doesn't have the book, Judy, so my phone is low but now. Alright, Judy, thank you and goodbye.